roundabout coming up here. We've just got to think about roundabouts as being a circular one-way system. We're looking at what's going to come round. Imagine it's a revolving door, the roundabout is, and you're looking for a gap to go into, just like you would in a revolving door. So far we can see the best view is for the traffic from ahead. It looks like it's a steady flow of traffic, so I'm going to slow down, because they could be blockers, block off the people on the right. There's an orange one, and there's nobody on the right either, so we're good to go. The orange one went ahead the same way as I came from, so there's nothing coming round to give way to. Okay, approaching this roundabout, I can see what's coming round the roundabout from ahead, which at the minute is nothing, but I can't see the right too great. I'm going to slow down. The car just started approaching, so I'm going to wait till that's passed, and then I've got a gap after that. Okay, this roundabout we're going to turn right towards the M1, the third exit. So I'm adopting the right lane there, using the mirrors to make sure there's nobody from behind. I'm trying to come past. Looking before the fence blocks off my view, there was a few coming from the right, so I'm going to keep back from the lot. That view's getting better here. I can see the gap after that red one, so now I'm accelerating into the gap. Checking the mirrors again here, following the lane out. You notice we're coming around the corner here, there's 3 lanes, and I've chosen the left of the 3 because that's the one for the exit that I want. Okay, we're going to turn right towards the city centre, which is the 4th exit. So I'm already seeing that this is pretty built up at the minute. Them 2 should both go. See the white one's going off. Nobody's moving off from the right, so I'll join them. So with the city centre, then this time I'm following out a wider curve, going towards the left lane, so that says city. And the left signal to come off. And I'm watching this red car here, the lanes merge together, so I'll merge in front. This roundabout we're going to turn right. This one's quite awkward because we've got 2 lanes turning right. So because there's 2 lanes we'll use the middle lane, so that's the driving lane. Then as we exit we'll be in the left hand lane. So I can see at the minute there's 2 cars on the right, but I'm going to time my approach to be thereafter. Now they've gone, I'm going to follow them off. Keeping an eye on the cars that are in the other lane on the mirrors, but they're fine. Forget their lane. Okay, we've got another roundabout approaching now, so again we're giving way to anything from the right, so we're going to see if there's any blockers coming around the roundabout or anybody on the roundabout that's going to come our way. I can already see what's happening on the roundabout at the minute, but I can't see the right. So I'm going to slow down before the end of this bush, then I've got time to analyse what's on the right. So there's nobody on the roundabout, there's 1 red car, and after that we can go. So I've done that all in 2nd gear without having to stop. There is a left signal to come off. I'm checking the right door mirror for anybody in the other lane. At this roundabout we're going to go straight on again, so again I'm checking the mirrors before slowing down. The view on the roundabout or from the right isn't great here because of the bushes blocking off the view there on the roundabout, also the bushes blocking off the view on the right. So I'm going to slow right down in a second. I can see ahead there waiting, so that's giving me a clear gap ahead. And now I've got the view, there's nothing on the right either, so I'm just going to carry on. And there is a left signal for the exit. At this roundabout we're going to turn right, so I'm doing mirrors and right signal. We've got the 30, so I'm slowing down for that. Now I'm starting to get the view. I can see that white car from ahead coming round. After that there's nothing from ahead. There's also now I get nearer, there's a black car just approached from the right, so I'm going to wait for that, and a white van. There's still nothing from ahead, and so far after the white van on the right we're clear. So we're good to go. Check the black car stopping and checking the left mirror and the interior mirror. this roundabout we're turning right, so again middle and right mirror, right signal. Okay, this time I've got a clear view from ahead over the roundabout. See, there's nothing there, so the right will be active, so whichever's coming from there will have to give way, but there's nothing. Checking the mirrors here, left signal, then slid off. Okay, this roundabout we're going straight on. I'm checking the mirrors before slowing down and starting to get a better view. We've got a good view ahead, that's clear, and beyond the right's clear now as well, so we're saying to continue. Checking the mirrors, left signal, and off we go. At this next roundabout we're turning left, so we're going to approach, check the mirrors, left signal. I see the view's getting better here. Truck just pulled off from the right and a few other cars behind it, so I'm slowing down quite far back from the line. It's quite busy this one this time, so having to wait a bit longer. I'm still just trying to keep a bit of momentum going. Let's see after this black car we've got a gap. So I'm following him off. So you notice that I didn't stop at all, although I had to wait a while, I didn't actually stop. Okay, at this roundabout I'm going to go all the way around it and come back this way. So I've done my mirrors and signal early. I'm looking at where my view is going to improve, which is going to be at the end of this bush. This is where I get my speeding gear. I can see there's one car, the other one's turned left, and then I've got my gun. Again, the people from the left there, if they were going turning right the same way as where I came from, then that would have given me a gap, because they would have blocked off the people on my right, because there was nothing coming from that way. I knew I'd have to give way to people on the right and just carry on. So again, with this roundabout we're going ahead, so I'm going to slow down. I can see a bit through the roundabout. The roundabout itself doesn't look too busy, so the people on the right will just be continuing. There's a couple of people come round, they've blocked off the road on the right, so I can continue. Okay, at this roundabout we have a good view, so I'm trying to look who's approaching from opposite to turn right. At the minute everybody's in the lane to go straight on. So my main concern is anything from the road on the direct right, which is clear. Left signal to come off. Okay, with this roundabout up here I can see what's approaching from ahead already. We've got a really good view, so at roundabouts like this it makes it much easier. I'm looking at the lanes that they're in, which you might not be able to see in the camera, but they're all in the lane to go either straight on or left, nobody's turning right. And then there's a big gap before anything else, so my main focus again is what's coming up from the right, so we did that there shouldn't be anything coming round the roundabout. And then there's a gap on the right there. Okay, at this roundabout we're going ahead, so I'm checking the mirrors, I'm looking what's coming around. We've got a good view from ahead, there's nothing ahead, but there's a few cars on the right, so I'm slowing down early. I can see there's a red Royal Mail van and there's nothing ahead or the right, so I'm going to continue. Again, I kept well back there, slowed down early, got a steady pace so that I'm going to have to stop. At the roundabout this time we're going to go left, so I'm looking from ahead again. We've got a much better view than the right, so from ahead there's nothing there. So I know that people on the right will just keep going, but again the right's clear, so I'm not going to wait for anybody. But again, with that good view ahead, I've managed to do most of the work already then. All I've got to know what there's a gap there is what's happening on the right. I've already deducted the fact that ahead there was nothing to give way to.